A military marvel 2,000 years ago. The Qin Dynasty Army.
Little Ming, a curious young explorer with a passion for ancient history, discovered a magical history book in his grandfather's library. When he opened the book, it transported him back in time to ancient China. "Welcome to the Qin Dynasty," said General Li, a friendly military commander who became Ming's guide. "I'll show you how our army became the strongest in the world." General Li first took Ming to see the soldiers' training. "Look at our warriors," said General Li. "Every soldier wears the same armor and uses the same weapons. This is called standardization." Ming watched in amazement as thousands of soldiers moved together like one giant team. "Why do they all have the same equipment?" Ming asked. "Great question," replied General Li. "Emperor Qin made sure all weapons and armor were exactly the same size and shape. This way, broken parts could be replaced quickly, and soldiers could use any weapon they found on the battlefield." Next, General Li showed Ming the weapon factories. Workers were making identical bronze swords, spears, and crossbows. "Our crossbows are special," explained General Li. "They can shoot arrows farther than any other weapon." Ming noticed that each weapon had small marks on them. "Those are quality control marks," said General Li. "Each worker puts their mark on what they make. If something breaks, they must fix it." General Li then took Ming to see something truly amazing, the construction of the Terracotta Army. Thousands of clay soldiers were being made to protect Emperor Qin in the afterlife. "Each soldier is different," Ming exclaimed, noticing the unique faces. "Yes," smiled General Li, "but their weapons and armor are all standard sizes. This shows how important our military system is to the Emperor." "Communication is key in battle," General Li explained, showing Ming the flag signals and drum systems used to send messages across the battlefield. The Qin army also had special units cavalry on horses, chariots with sharp blades, and even early versions of chemical weapons that could make smoke screens. "The greatest strength of our army isn't just weapons or numbers," General Li said. "It's organization and planning. Emperor Qin created systems that worked so well, they were used for thousands of years after." When it was time to return home, Ming thanked General Li for the amazing journey. Back in his grandfather's library, Ming couldn't wait to share what he had learned about this ancient military marvel. The Qin dynasty wasn't just about fighting, Ming told his friends later. It was about innovation, organization, and building something that lasted. Their military systems were so advanced, they were like an ancient industrial revolution.